Okay, so we have found out the female population. Now they want us to find out the male population here. So what they have given is from 2001 to 2011, the number of males were 53 crore 21 lakh 56,772 and 62 crore 31 lakh 21,843 respectively. Now what is respectively? It means 2001 will correspond to the number given first and 2011 corresponds to the number given afterwards. It means 2001 में population of male was 53 crore. Okay, and in 2011 it was 62 crore. So again 62 crore is greater than 53 crore. So 2011 is greater than 2001. What you have to find is difference again. Find the difference. So again from 2011's male population subtract 2001's male population. Okay beta. Same way 2011 का जो population है male, from that you will subtract the female population. Okay. Next, Arun had 3 crore rupees. Okay, he bought a house and a car for 1 crore 19,900. Okay, and 9,45,675 respectively. Again respectively, I told you when it is given respectively, it corresponds to it. First thing will be the first number, second thing second number. So house and a car, हाउस और कार खरीदे, हाउस की वैल्यू होगी द फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज मेंशन दैट इज 1 crore 85,19,900. ओके, एंड कार 9,45,675. फाइंड द अमाउंट लेफ्ट विथ हिम. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग कितने पैसे बचे. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग व्हेन यू रीड अरुण हैड 3 crore rupees, इट मीन्स टोटल इज गिवन. टोटल मनी पता है 3 करोड़ है उसके पास. ओके, फ्रॉम दैट मनी ही बॉट कार, हाउस. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? सो टोटल इज गिवन. क्या क्या उसने खर्चा किया है, वॉट एवर ही हैज स्पेंट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. यू हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट. ओके, सो सपोज यू हैड 10 rupees, यू बॉट 5 rupees का चॉकलेट and then your brother also wanted chocolate, so you bought him a 2 rupees ka chocolate. So together you spent 5 rupees and 2 rupees, so you will add first, isn't it? So 5 plus 2 7 rupees. So out of the total 10 rupees आपने 7 rupees खर्चा किया, कितने बचे? So 10 minus 7 3, isn't it? Same way total is given. दो खर्चे किए, दो expenditures they have done, that is also mentioned. So first you add up the expenditure, whatever is used up you add first, क्योंकि दोनों खर्चे किए ना तो दोनों का money you have to count first. Okay, so first you will add house and the car money, you will add both and then you will subtract this from the total. Total is 3 crore, तो 3 crore में से you will subtract the addition amount that you will get from car and house. Okay, so from the total money you will subtract the sum. Sum means addition, sum of car and house. पहले इन दोनों को प्लस करके फाइंड आउट करो, कार एंड हाउस के मनी को प्लस करो, यू विल गेट दैट अमाउंट. वो अमाउंट फिर टोटल 3 करोड़ में से यू सब्सट्रैक्ट माइनस करो, तो यू विल गेट कि उसके पास हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट. लेफ्ट कितना है ये पता चल जाएगा. ओके, सो अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज गिवन एंड फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू use it the data and solve. Next sum, population of a city is 1 crore 24 lakh 97,420. If the number of men and women are 56 45,23,456 and 45,18,998. Find the number of children. Population is the number of men, women, children. Okay. Men, women and children. Out of that, men, women are given. You have to find out children. फिर से वही हो गया, टोटल पता है, men, women भी पता है, क्या निकालना है? Children. So first men, women add कर दो. Getting me? Men, women add and then subtract from the total. So whatever is their total population, okay, उसमें से you will subtract the sum of men and women. So men, women first you add, इन दोनों को ऐड करना है, then you will get the answer from the total population, उनको माइनस कर दो, you will get the number of children. Okay, same like this, total दिया है, sum of two things is given. So first add, after adding total में से वो माइनस कर दो. Okay beta, this is how you should understand the word problem first and then solve. Okay, I guess everyone by now must be very good with plus and minus, subtraction, addition तो आता है, isn't it? But understanding the word problem कि क्या करना है is important. So I have told you in all the sums what you have to do in exercise 2.3. I want you to solve it on your own in your notebooks beta. Okay, so finish off this exercise. Then the revision exercise is what you also can start doing in your maths notebook, but after you finish exercise 2.3. Okay, in the next I will discuss about the revision exercise. Okay beta, that's it for today.